Today we're going to make a bird mask. For this, what do we need? We need, of course, a mask. Here I already put the beak, but you can help children to apply the beak. Already prepared. We need construction paper, any paper, old drawing, pages from a notebook, construction paper, scissors, glue, crayons. We can start by practicing the shape, to draw the shape of a feather. So what is the shape of a feather? Kind of an eye shape, an almond. So we can practice and cut. So this is going to take a long time. It is a big job to make the feather factory. We need to make lots of feathers of all sizes, and it's okay if it's not a perfect shape. It can be little bits. Also, try your best. And then we take the mask and we have to cover everything. We go all around. Well, guess what? We cannot cover the eyes. Don't cover the eyes because you won't be able to see. You're going to wear this mask after on your head, and maybe after we'll have a parade. So you start gluing all around. All around. And the reason I'm putting the beak first is after to hide those little flap, to make it really nice, you see? And you can even take a feather and draw on it, decorate your feather. Do whatever you want. Color it. And then you glue it. And then you are a bird.